Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Cantab Publishers video lessons. Before starting the lesson, dear student, you must have with you class 7 English textbook, summer pack and resource pack. Resource pack is for parents and teachers guidance. You can also download it from Cantab Publishers official website. We will start our lesson from unit number 3, the winter sun. SLOs of this lesson are: recognize literary personification, describe the object being personified, write simple sentences using personification. Now look at the page number 26, what we have here. Imagine you are sitting on a bench in a park with your friends. Answer the following questions. Are the clouds angry? Are the flowers dancing? Are the trees bored? Are the people happy? This is a warm-up activity for you. You have to answer this. You are sitting on a bench with your friends in a park. So, what is personification? You know about the parts of speech like noun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction. But there is also figures of speech. And what's figure of speech too? It makes our writings, our poems, our novels, or story interesting, appealing and attractive to the readers. How? By using figure of speech, we write about the unreal things, the imaginary things, which are not real. Figure of speech decorate our writing. Its main purpose is to decorate, to make the writings attractive and more appealing to the readers. And we usually see this in poems, novels and story. So, personification here is the figure of speech. Is one of the figures of speech. We have so many, simile, metaphor, pun, alliteration, so many here. But in this lesson, we will only discuss personification here. The use of personification in writing. How it makes the writing interesting for the readers. We will discuss it. Personification is giving a human quality to an inanimate object. We have discussed the inanimate object. The non-living things which cannot do actions or things like animal or people. Any type of emotion, gesture, thought or action that a person would make can be applied to any non-human object using personification words. Like what? What do you notice inside the word personification? How does the word person give you a clue as to the meaning of personification? What is being personified in the picture above? What specific human activities is it performing that it cannot do in the real world? I told you the use of figures of speech, the personification, is imaginary, which is not possible in our real world. It is imaginary, only to make the things interesting for the people to read. Here we can see, did you see in real life any cloud angry like that? No, no cloud does that. Only human can make these expression here, anger expression here. It's not possible in real world. So, this is the use of personification is imaginary. Its main purpose is to make the things interesting for the readers. So, person giving person's qualities to the inanimate object, to non-living things. Personified, to act like human. We make the things, the non-living things, act like human. Like we did with the expression of cloud here. We make him angry and give him expression here. He actually like human here, he is angry. Now look back at this question here. Can flower dance? No. It's a use of personification. Are the people happy? Yes. This is the real thing. Are the trees bored? Trees can't be bored. Only people can bore. Are the clouds angry? No. Look at here. It refers to it. Clouds cannot be angry. Only people can be angry. All these things belongs to the people only, not inanimate object, not the non-living things. So now we have a very good idea of personification. I can give you some more examples, like leaves are clapping their hands. Trees are dancing. Moon is happy. So what you need to do here, work in pairs and think of more inanimate objects and give them human qualities. We use personifications in poems. Personification poems are types of words in which inanimate or non-human objects are given human attributes, like these examples here. Look at the page number 28. Use the ideas written below to write a sentence using personification. Examples are, the book winked at me. Only a person can wink, so it is a use of personification which is not real, not possible here. So you have to choose, or you have to use this words here in your sentences and personification. You have to write a sentence and using personification. You have to make them do things which people can do only. The car, the stairs, the flowers, the traffic, and my house. I hope you have enjoyed my lesson. Thank you.